Hey everybody, it's your favorite nerd, Mike Meyers here, answering that perpetual question, why should I get A+ certified? And that is what I am here to do right now. The CompTIA A+ certification is a great place for people to get started into the IT world for a lot of good reasons. Well, number one, there are over 700 different IT certifications out there right now. So as somebody who's coming into the IT world, how do you pick where do you start? Where do you go? Well, the CompTIA A+ is considered by many to be the de facto entry-level IT certification out there. There may be people who disagree, but hey, I'm Mike Meyers, popular nerd, and I say it is. So lots and lots of people start with the CompTIA A+ as their absolute first certification. Certifications are kind of the heartbeat of the IT industry. It's very common for me to talk to another nerd and say, so what certifications are you going for? Or for me to tell people, yeah, I'm kind of looking for that Cisco certification or that certified wireless security professional certification or whatever it might be. So it kind of gives employers and our fellow nerds kind of a feel of where you are in the hierarchy of moving forward in the IT world. So CompTIA A+ does a great job of, number one, getting you started, but number two, and this is important, is that the CompTIA A+ acts as a beautiful launching pad towards more advanced certifications. Do you see yourself going the Cisco world? Do you see yourself going the Microsoft world? Do you see yourself going into working on wireless networks? A+ gets you a good conceptual start on those that helps you move forward into those directions. The second thing that I think makes the CompTIA A+ certification really, really powerful is that, well, it's straight up required. You want to get a job at Dell, you want to get a job at Intel, you want to get a job at Lenovo, well, you've got to get A+ certified. Now, I know some of them will cut you a little slack and give you like 3 months to pass it after you get the job, but in general, lots and lots of companies straight up require A+, and lots more make it a strong recommendation. Now, number three, I hope no one gets too upset with this, and it's all about money. According to a recent Bureau of Labor Statistics report, the CompTIA A+ certified technician makes about 30% more than an equivalent technician at the same job. So we're talking about around $74,000 a year versus $52,000. So that right there makes it a big motivator for me. The fourth thing, and this one's important, is that CompTIA A+ is well known. People know about the CompTIA A+. Now the danger that people run into is they go, oh, I used to be a plumber or a truck driver or a baker, and now I'm going to go get A+ certified and people are going to hand me jobs. That's not what the CompTIA A+ is all about. The CompTIA A+ is a way for you to show people that you have that skill set. You got that little pin on your chest that says, I have these competencies. The CompTIA A+ is never going to guarantee you a job, but I do guarantee you it will always get you in the door.